Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect ASUS ZenScreen Go wirelessly with your PC. And to do this, first we'll need to find the name of our ASUS ZenScreen as well as the password, and you can see the name right here and the password right here on your screen. You will have a different name and then password. Next is to click on Windows plus K on our keyboard. Here on the right on this panel we should find our display, and we can click on it. Now it should start connecting. And yep, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.